Welcome back to Halal Corner. Here I'm prepping some kebabs on Sunday morning to make for dinner later. It's good to let these marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes. I'll link the recipe that I use in the caption. So here I have some flour, some yogurt, and just get ready to mix that up. I already pre-mixed my spices so it'd be more aesthetically pleasing. There's paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, and coriander, and I forgot to add salt in there, so you see me adding it here. To your taste. Yeah, add some salt to your taste. And there's also some black pepper in there. I almost forgot that. And then you gotta mix everything very well. You'll see here in the next slide, I'm gonna fast forward and I even clipped it because there's a lot of mixing involved. So you want it well seasoned, right? So. Now the recipe I follow usually says to use diced onions, like a white onion. But I don't like the texture of it. I can't quite get it fine enough, so I just added some of our green onions from our garden. This is the first time we've ever seen a dove at the feeder, let alone on top of it. Whoa!
Oh, they are.
I'm a potato.
You're a tomato.
Potato?
No.
I said I was a potato.
No, you're a tomato.
No.
What are you?
Yeah, I know. But there's a little teeny tiny one there. Potatoes, then. Oh gosh. See a little teeny tiny one, you're gonna keep it in there? Whoa!
Keep this back.
Oh, see a nice big one. Since this was a holiday Monday, we were both off and I wanted to go pick some sea glass. So here we are driving to Pokeshaw. I sped it up just because it was a bit of a long drive. I didn't film the whole thing, obviously, but come with us to Pokeshaw. So it might be kind of boring without the original audio, but believe me, it was so windy. Obviously, like, we're in the car right now, so you don't hear the wind, but we're having a chit chat and stuff, so I didn't want to include that. But all you would hear is just the wind in the microphone, so it was much better this way. I didn't get any video footage of my treasure that I found, but here's the close-up of some of the stones and the shells and some glass that we found. This is the famous rock, Pokeshaw Rock. And off to home. I was so excited to see this yellow finch. If you're following me, you would have probably seen this on my channel earlier this week with a video short. And I think maybe the second time, yeah. I see them flying around every now and then, but I actually caught one on film, obviously. It's so cute. Trying to go to work. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. What's happening? What's happening? Ladies. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. What's going on? What's going on? What are you screaming for? Are you mad we took the door away? Now you can't escape?
Great. I was wrong. I'm wrong. Is everyone happy?
Even though we removed the door, they could escape. Are you cereal right now? Are you serious? It's gotta be. That's fine, you can do that. Up and down a slide. Cute, she's drinking from the puddle. You see her? we decided to make a barbecue and eat outside. Sausages, potatoes, macaroni and tuna salad. Oh, so good. Quite a bit of growth since Monday.
That's what she said.
As you can hear, I sped it up, and as you can see, it's just fun to watch the animals, and I figured not everybody's into that, and it's just fun memories for me. So, you know, the cat's so calm, and the dog just does not stop, as you can see. Rude. Just the whole time, just did not stop. We were probably outside maybe half an hour, the whole time. This little thing moved quite fast. Watch him go.
Over.
You'll Remember earlier I said I was wrong about them escaping because we removed the door? No, they still kept getting out. So I had to order this net, and here we are putting it up on Saturday. And so far it seems to be working. But it's not an easy task, that's for sure. Props to the hubs for getting this done. Sneaky little sneaks. But they're cute, right?